Hello there guys, Johnny Fluffy Punk here. Okay, I hope you've just had a good nose through all those wonderful old school records, all the photographs of children looking strange and stern, and their teachers even sterner, and all those diaries of events and things that happened and punishments and stuff. And what we are going to do is we are going to create our own school records, a school record of here and now, but based in those old archive records. So, first thing we're going to do is to create punishment records. Now, I read out some punishments from the past, which were all quite brutal, all involving the cane, which we don't have anymore, thankfully. So what we're going to do is to come up with a list of imaginary crimes. People who've done them, so they can be people from your class, crimes they have committed, and then the punishment. Only our punishments aren't going to be brutal. Our punishments are going to be rooted in the nature of the crime. So, Jaden Jones for talking while teacher was talking. And the punishment was being made to gargle Justin Bieber songs through a mouthful of cold school gravy. So the punishment fitted the crime. Jagdev Singh for running in the corridor was made to run backwards in slow motion down Kingsholm Road while wearing his underpants on the outside of his trousers. Again, not violent, and it kind of fits his crime. So this is what we're going to do, is we are going to create interesting, fun punishments like this. Now, you can either work individually or in pairs. And what I want each person or each pair to come up with is 3 naughty children. You can make them up, or they can be people from your class. But as I say, keep it respectful, nothing nasty. I'm watching you. So 3 pupils, 3 people, 3 crimes they have committed. Now these can be real crimes, they can be strange, interesting, made up crimes that you can conjure from your imagination. And then punishments to fit those crimes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to gather them together and put them together in your school book of punishments, the punishment record. So we're going to pause the video in a second and you're going to get to it. All right? 3 pupils, 3 crimes, 3 punishments. Let's go and see you in a while.